just dying to go across this rock.
Well, go
Like
ahead.
a little kid.
Wait a second.
I got your other one too. I got your camera. Here, I'll give you my bag.
I can't hold everything.
No, I'm gonna take one of those.
Here, take the 360 one.
Just put the because I got your camera in there. Ooh, it stinks. Don't you drop my purse. Watch where you're stepping, because this one's going to be wet and slick. Maybe I should have carried my own purse.
Like that, huh?
Yeah, but you're supposed to make sure that they're sturdy.
Oh,
all right, give him a purse.
I just rock and rolled right through that.
Yeah, I should have carried my own.
Well, you feel like a little kid again?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll do it again.
Well, that's what you do all day long. All right. GoPro, stop recording.
Have you ever done that before? No.
Every chance I get.
No, you don't.